This meditation is focused on the sacral or Svadhistana Chakra, which translates to sweetness. The element correlated with this chakra is water, which is characterized by movement, flow, and flexibility. Therefore, the qualities symbolized in this chakra are creative expression, desire, and our emotions. However, if we are imbalanced in this part of our lives or blocked in this part of our lives, then we may have a difficult time finding what puts us in a state of flow. Those are things that are of creative expression. We may feel codependent, or we may be run by our emotions. In order to create balance and awareness in this part of our lives, we will use the bija or seed sound mantra, which is VAM, V-A-M. And we will repeat this mantra 108 times. It may seem like a lot, and you may be wondering why 108 specifically. Well, this number symbolizes spiritual completion and is a sacred number in the yogic practice. Before we begin, find a comfortable seat, whether that be on the floor, maybe with a cushion propped up underneath you, or sitting in a chair. If you are sitting in a chair, make sure that the soles of the feet are planted to the ground and you're scooted a little bit forward so you're not slouching backwards. Once you find a comfortable position, and if you need to, you can pause the video and resume as you're ready. Go ahead and get all the fidgets out. And then begin to close your eyes. Connect to the weight of your body in contact with the surface beneath you. Feel your body grounding down into that support. Connecting to the fact that you are here now. Check in with your breath. As you inhale through the nose, where do you feel expansion? And as you exhale out of the nose, where do you feel contraction? Can you feel a gradual sense of lift and opening as you breathe in? And can you feel a gradual sense of closing, contraction as you breathe out? Continue to follow your breath, just observing it exactly as it is. As you fix your drishti, your gaze, between the eyebrows and the third eye space, visualize the color orange. This is a symbolic color that correlates with the Sacral Chakra. As you breathe in and out, can you visualize that color getting brighter and fuller on the inhale, getting smaller and dimmer on the exhale? Now I will keep track of count for 108 times moving through the bija sound VAM, which is again V-A-M. All you have to do is follow along until I tell you when to stop. VAM, 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 vam. Last one. Vam. Notice the final vibrations that you sense in the body. Sense the weight of your body grounding down into the floor. Notice the pace of your breath. And then expand your awareness as you observe the sounds around you. Perhaps they are a bit crisper and clearer. Understanding first begins by listening, by slowing down and connecting. By bringing awareness to something, we can begin to understand why we do the things that we do, whether our habits are productive, non-productive, or just unsustainable in general. And we can mindfully decide, how do we move forward? So from this meditation, perhaps it is the right push or encouragement to allow you to look inward, to listen, to be aware, to understand, and to grow. As you're ready, gently blink your eyes open.